just going to go up and start a new sketch. Scroll up, click on my front plane. And we're going to begin with our veneer panel. Now this is straightforward. We just press G for our corner rectangle, left click and drag, and our dimensions are going to be 326 by 130. Zoom in a little bit. Extrude. And we are going to make that a depth of 6 millimeters. Left click, solved, and that will be our veneer panel. Remember to rename that. Hide that part. Create a new sketch. Select the front. We're now going to draw our top and bottom shelf. Now this will be the same part, so we only have to do this once. So click on corner rectangle, or G for rectangle. Left click and drag. 240, enter. 190, enter. Double click on front here just to center our sketch. Left click, extrude, and we'll make this a depth of 19. Solve that. We now have our top and bottom panel. So go back over to part 6 here, right click, rename, top and bottom panel. Let's hide that. This will be our last part here, our shelf that we're going to draw, and then we'll move on to the assembly studio down here where I will show you how to assemble the carcass. So left click on sketch, front again, square that up, G for rectangle, (190) by 240, extrude, and we'll extrude this to a depth of 12 millimeters. Solve that. Right click on part 7, rename, shelf. You should now have all the parts you need to construct the carcass, and I'll show you that in the following tutorial.